Good morning, students. Today I am going to teach class 2 English, chapter 2, and the name of the chapter is The Two Sculptors. This story is an anonymous. Anonymous means that we do not know or cannot find out who has written this story. Many fables and fairy tales are stories told by mouth and are repeated by many other people over a long period of time. Because of this, it is almost impossible to find out who had started the story first. When this happens, we say that the story is anonymous. So, we do not know who has written this story, so this story is an anonymous. This story is about two friends with very different personalities and who became engaged in a competition. This difference in nature and thinking at last decided who fares better in life and why. Let us read how one wins and other loses. So, let's start. Once upon a time, there lived a kind king. His subjects loved him very much. In his kingdom there lived two sculptors. They were called Chandar and Lakshman. The king liked their work very much and was very fond of them. One day the king decided to hold a competition to find out who was the greater artist. There was a king, and in his subjects loved him very much. Subject means people of a country. Subject means people of his country. And in his kingdom there lived two sculptors. Sculptor means an artist who make a sculpture. Murti banane wala. Murtikar, we can say Murtikar. In his kingdom there were two sculptors. One name is Chandar and one name is Lakshman. And the king liked their work very much and liked them also. So one day, king decided to hold a competition to find out who was the greater artist. Chandar was very mean. I have to defeat Lakshman somehow, he thought. Chandar was very mean. Mean means small-minded. And he thought that he had to defeat Lakshman. Defeat means to win over someone in a contest. Harana. He wanted to defeat Lakshman. Students, see this picture. These two are sculptors, an artist. He is Chandar and he is Lakshman. So just before the day of the competition, he went to Lakshman and said, "Please lend me your tools. I cannot find my tools at home." So before one day of competition, Chandar went to Lakshman's house and he lent his tools. Lent means udhar. Lent means udhar. He lent his tool and he told that he cannot find his tool at his home. Lakshman was very kind man. He is Lakshman and he was very kind man. He gladly gave his tools to Chandar. Chandar used the tools so roughly that they soon become blunt. What Lakshman did, he gave his tools to Chandar. Lakshman gave his tools to Chandar, and Chandar used the tools so roughly that they soon become blunt. Blunt means not sharp, very flat and rough. Chandar made Lakshman's tool very blunt. The next day, Chandar and Lakshman reached the king's court. In the day of competition, Chandar and Lakshman both reached the king's court. Chandar quickly returned the tools to Lakshman. Lakshman was shocked to see his tools. "I think I should withdraw from the competition," thought Lakshman. Both have reached in the king's court. Chandar quickly returned the tools to Lakshman because Chandar made his tools very blunt. And after seeing his tools, Lakshman was very shocked, very surprised, because he his tools was blunt. So he thought that he should withdraw from the competition. Withdraw means move away. He should withdraw from the competition because his tools are not good. But it was too late. You have to make a bust of the king, announced the herald. But it was too late. You have to make a bust of the king. Bust means the head or face of the sculpture. The head or face of the sculpture. Announce the herald. Herald means an official in court who announces things. So herald announced that you have to make a bust of the king. But what you will do? But you too will have to exchange your tools. A sculptor can work best with his own tools. A great sculptor is one who can work with someone else's tools. You have to make a bust of the king, but what you will do, you both will exchange your tools, because a great sculptor is one who can work with some else's tools. Chandar was shocked to hear this. Why Chandar was shocked? Because he made Lakshman's tools very blunt. Lakshman quickly took Chandar's tools and gave him his tools. Using Chandar's tools, Lakshman carved his sculpture easily, but Chandar could not work with Lakshman's tools. Chandar was shocked to hear this, and Lakshman quickly took Chandar's tool and gave him his tools. Using Chandar's tools, Lakshman carved his sculpture easily. Carved means पत्थर आदि पर नक्काशी करना. By using Lakshman tools, Chandar could not work. Chandar could not work with Lakshman tools. Oh, what a fool I have been! I have been punished for being mean, thought Chandar. Now Chandar thought that what he had done, he had punished for being mean. Chandar made Lakshman's tools blunt. Lakshman won the competition easily. Finally, Lakshman won the competition. The king rewarded him well. Rewarded means something given or received in return for service. Chandar lost because of his folly and jealousy. Chandar lost because of his folly. Folly means foolishness, murkhta. Jealousy. Jealousy means being jealous, irsya, chalan. So, finally, Lakshman won the competition and Chandar lost the competition because of his jealousy and folly. So, this chapter is becoming over, and in this chapter you have learned that we should never jealous to anyone, we should never think ill to others, we should always be honest and kind. Now let's come next page. Choose the correct answers to complete the given sentences. Lakshman was shocked to see his tools because his friend had made them blunt. According to the tale, tale means story. According to the tale, the subjects of the king loved him very much. After the king announced a competition, Chandar was very mean. Okay, understood? Now you will read this chapter carefully and collect hard words and write down in your classwork copy and learn them. And also, whatever the PDF you are getting, you must write in your classwork copy very carefully and learn them. Thank you.